Welcome, beautiful people.
What's up, guys?
Welcome once again to another episode of Cooking with Nino.
And Zuri.
And as you can tell, I've got a special guest here, my granddaughter Zuri. But I also want to introduce you to all the vegetables that I reap from my little urban garden. And let me tell you guys, it's absolutely fantastic. I've got here some tomatoes, some lovely tomatoes. I've got some onions, as well as some steaming Scotch bonnet pepper. And I had a few more items on here, but I've been cooking with them. I've been making dishes. So I'm able to show you them, but this is it. And as you can tell, I've even got some little, what they call chili pepper or bird peppers here. Tiny little ones. I've got a couple varieties. And let me tell you, I want you guys to get out there, plant some fruits and vegetables, and see what you reap. Let's get to the video.
What's up, guys? It's Lo here. So as you can see, Nino's out in our little urban vegetable garden picking some beautiful tomatoes. These are what I snack on when I'm out there doing my work in my garden. Now, these little plants I started from seed way back in February when I was doing all my lives doing my indoor gardening. Now, these tomatoes, they're a little bit worse for wear, but they're giving us beautiful sweet fruit. And these peppers I also started from seed way back in February. Some of the seed as well I got from peppers from the supermarket.
So you know my little urban garden just reaped a tremendous amount of produce this year. I've got my Scotch bonnet pepper here, absolutely delicious. I've also got some chili pepper. Sometimes you call them bird pepper, but they're just absolutely spicy and lovely to season up your food with. And we move along as, you know, there's so many things going on in this garden this year. We have some chive. I grew some chive as I would use for my potatoes. I've got some rosemary, some thyme. You know, nothing like cooking with fresh thyme leaves. As well as, if you guys pay attention, you'll know that I've been eating a lot of chickpeas lately. This is where I get my fresh parsley from. Reap my fresh parsley from my garden and just kick it up a notch. Got some fresh basil, and you know I'm going to need that for creating my pesto this year. Absolutely. And boy, the tomatoes, those tomatoes.
I can't say enough about these tomatoes. We got about 3 different varieties. We've got the small little cherry tomatoes. We have the yellow ones and the red ones. And these are like aroma variety. Now, if you can recall way back when in the springtime, these are some of the seeds that I use to grow these peppers and the onions. As well, if you can recall, when I had rooted some of the these onions, the bunching onions, I put them in water and planted them outside. And that's how we got what we're reaping now. So you can definitely plant food that you get from your supermarket, collect the seeds and plant them out into your garden and see what happens. And we're getting gorgeous peppers as well as onions. Look at this onion.
Nice.
And this is our bounty, guys. And we've just been reaping like this all summer long. It's not a big bounty, but it's our bounty. And we're pretty excited for it. So thank you so much for our little update. And we'll see you next time on the next one. Bye-bye for now, guys.